This is the cheapest dashcam I have ever reviewed by far, coming in at a whopping $9.75 on AliExpress including shipping. This dashcam claims to shoot in 1080p, but does it really? Nope. First of all, this camera is entirely hollow. It feels so empty. It's like there's literally nothing inside there. I guess there is. It's basically just a webcam with a tiny battery and dashcam software making it operate. But when it comes to build quality, this thing is practically nil. None. Non-existent. So what about video quality then? Video quality, you say? No wait, I said that. Video quality. Yeah, this is supposedly 1080p. I am literally giving this camera the best chance I can give it, and this is what it produces. So here's an ordinary 1080p dashcam. Look at that. You can read license plates. You can see what's going on the street. It's got a nice wide field of view, so you can see things to the left and to the right. And then here is this camera. Yeah, it's literally giving a low-end webcam the software to operate as a dashcam. Alright, so this is an audio test from the dashcam. I'm just speaking at a normal speaking volume, maybe projecting my voice a little bit more because there is some road noise from the car. Mind you that this is an electric car, so it's not super loud compared to like a diesel truck or even some sports cars. It's really quiet actually compared to those. But yeah, this is what it sounds like while I'm talking and driving. To give the camera credit, it turns on, it records, and it turns off when your car shuts off. It does record video, but look at this. Look at this. And night is somehow even worse than this. So obviously, I do not recommend buying this kind of camera. Don't buy a cheap camera from AliExpress. I also don't recommend buying a cheap camera from Amazon. Anything in the sub $30 range is gonna be pretty much this quality. Maybe a little bit better here and there, but the quality and reliability will be quite poor. And sometimes unlucky buyers buying from random websites get scammed and get these cameras instead of something good. So buy from a reliable source, look up reviews, and do your own independent research. Don't trust Amazon reviews, because this thing is just awful. And many equivalent cameras have a 4.5 or better rating on Amazon. But that's a whole nother can of worms. Anyways, thanks for watching. Don't buy the cheapest thing because it likely won't do what it says. You know what will do what it says? Subscribing to my channel. Yeah, you'll get future videos from me. Huzzah!